Hello, culinary explorers, and welcome to Culinary Arts Research. Today, we're diving headfirst into the bustling world of professional kitchens, zooming in on a crucial role that keeps the culinary symphony in tune, the first commis chef. Ever seen chefs expertly twirling pans, plating masterpieces, and coordinating like clockwork? The first commis chef is often the maestro behind the scenes, playing a vital role in the kitchen hierarchy. So, let's unpack their responsibilities, skills, and career path. Responsibilities and duties. The first commis chef wears many hats. They master the art of prep, becoming a chopping, slicing, and dicing magician. They confidently execute designated dishes, ensuring consistent quality and flavor. They're the right-hand man, or woman, to the head chef, learning by observation and stepping up when needed. And they lead by example, motivating and guiding junior chefs towards culinary excellence. Teamwork and collaboration. In the heat of the kitchen, teamwork is king, or queen, and the first commis chef champions it. They communicate effectively, anticipating needs and working in sync with colleagues. They foster a positive and collaborative environment, making the kitchen a place of innovation and shared passion. Skills and qualifications. Becoming a first commis chef requires more than just a love for food. You need rock-solid culinary knowledge, master cooking techniques, and understand flavors. Razor-sharp knife skills are a must, along with the stamina and resilience to work under pressure. Excellent communication and leadership qualities are key, as you'll be directing and motivating others. And remember, a strong work ethic, passion for learning, and adaptability are essential ingredients for success. Training and development. The path to becoming a first commis chef is paved with continuous learning. Culinary schools offer a strong foundation, but real-world experience in professional kitchens is crucial. Seek out mentorships from experienced chefs, soak up their knowledge, and hone your skills through constant practice. Remember, the culinary world is ever-evolving, so stay curious, open to new techniques, and always eager to learn more. Salary and career progression. Salary for a first commis chef varies depending on experience, location, and skill set. But beyond the numbers, the role offers immense growth potential. With dedication and talent, you can climb the culinary ladder, becoming a chef de partie, sous chef, and eventually, the head chef, leading your culinary orchestra. Conclusion and key takeaways. The first commis chef is the backbone of any successful kitchen, a vital cog in the culinary machine. Their dedication, skill, and collaborative spirit play a crucial role in crafting memorable dining experiences. So, to all aspiring chefs out there, remember, the journey to the top starts with mastering the role of the first commis chef. Embrace the challenges, hone your skills, and join the vibrant world of culinary artistry. That's all for today. Follow Culinary Explorers. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of the first commis chef, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more culinary research adventures. Until next time.